So I am a longtime fan of Karen Salmansohn's work across the board as a writer and definitely as a speaker and teacher. So I immediately signed up for her early bird special in making profitable online classes just a few months ago. I'd seen actually a lot of courses that were kind of similar to this before, taught by some famous people, some less famous people, and they were all in the thousands of dollars. And I actually felt like they didn't quite land as being worthy of my money or my time. And that said, I knew I wanted to learn this skill set. I'm working on a book, and I've heard from so many writers that you don't really make money from writing as much. It's more from teaching and from learning to scale and profit from the classes. And so I heard she was coming out with this class, signed up for it immediately. And I think one of the biggest motivators for me is that I believe that how you do anything is how you do everything. And information on its own isn't really of value, but it's more having someone kind of piece together their process for you. And I just know from reading all of Karen's books and how she does everything, it's always this kind of blend of humor and information that kind of helps make it really clear what you need to do and what's getting in your way. So I have really loved going through the material. I feel like it kind of helps get focus in areas where I've been fuzzy. And I couldn't recommend it more highly. I couldn't recommend her more highly as a teacher as well. So if you are looking for a class that's not only informative but transformative, which by the way is actually one of the little nuggets of what makes a class really profitable, is not just packaging information, but making sure that people actually know what transformation you're going to provide them by the end of it. And I think that is built into this course, that you're going to actually, through it, she's not just telling you what to do like a checklist, but she's actually helping you understand what's in your way mentally, emotionally, and kind of sharing her process as well. So I highly recommend Karen, and I highly recommend this amazing course to anyone who is looking to learn about this and grow into the person they want to be and the speaker they want to be and the teacher they want to be in the process. Thank you.